Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the Samsung T7 Touch, and this is a portable SSD drive. Now this one's the 2TB version and it has the fingerprint sensor, slightly different to the T5 that I reviewed before. This one's faster and more secure with that fingerprint reader as well. Let's open it up and have a look, see what we've got. So inside the box is another box, and this is a white plain box with Samsung on the top. Opening this one, you've got the drive itself. Now solid state drives are much better than the older HDD drives. They're much more reliable. Nice solid construction, much smaller than a HDD because it's got no spinning parts inside. Right, we've got the tray there. And then we've got a couple of boxes inside here. Let's have a look, see what we've got there. Right, 3 boxes. Nothing else. Okay, so we've got a Type-C to Type-C cable. A Type-A to Type-C cable. Okay, so opening up the box, we've got the high-speed cable, Type-A to Type-C. And then again, the other one is the Type-C to Type-C. These cables are between 20 and 25 centimeters long, so a nice short cable, ideal for connecting to a laptop or a desktop. Right, so here we've got the instruction quick start guide. It's very simple, plug and play. And Samsung does have an app that goes onto the computer to allow you to use the fingerprint reader. So giving you a couple of close-up images here of the drive itself. The fingerprint reader here. It's just a touch fingerprint reader, the same as you get on laptops and other devices. Nice and fast, easy access, but secure as well. Type-C port on the end there for connecting it to your computer or laptop. A little information on the bottom there with the model number and where it's made in Dublin, Ireland. Right, I'll give you some measurements as well. Okay, just clear that off, there we go. So the width is 56.8 millimeters wide. Thickness 7.9 millimeters thick. And the length is 85.1 millimeters long. And the weight is a very light 58 grams. So very portable, very light, and you can put it in your camera, bag, anything that you want to take with you. Nice and lightweight. Now I'm not sure about the water resistance. I haven't had any information on that. So it comes in 2 different colors. You've got the black version that I use with the PlayStation Pro. And it's 2 terabytes, so it stores lots of information for the PlayStation. And being an SSD drive, it makes it much faster for downloads as well. And of course the silver one I picked up for my iMac. As you see, I've connected it to the iMac and I can use that as a backup disk when I'm doing the videos. Right, so speed test. I'm going to run it with the Blackmagic Disk Speed Tester. Okay, let's get started. Right, so it's a lot faster than the T5 that I reviewed before. You've got 821 write speed and 886 for the read. Let's see if it matches that throughout. Okay, it's gone a little bit higher that time. 824.4 and 889. 888, 887. I don't think you can get much better than that. That's absolutely amazing. Nice fast drives. Much better than the HDD that I used to use, and much more reliable as well. Right, so I'll let this run for another couple of cycles It seems to be hitting the same targets each time, which is really good. Right, so let me know what you think in the comments about your drives. If you want to pick one of these up for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. And I hope you've enjoyed the video today. Have a good afternoon or a good morning or a good evening, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.